everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Please find that cute little bun wherever it is on your screen. Join the shy team today because we are working on not being shy for the summer. So I'm going to step away from talking about postpartum weight loss, and I want to talk about postpartum hair loss because I lost a lot of hair. It's growing back. But I want to tell you guys some of the things that I am doing to go from bra strap length to 2 inches away from being waist length, and also growing back my postpartum hair loss, especially in the front. I was bald as a cue ball, but I decided to do a lot of protective styles. This is one of the protective styles that I am loving right now, especially when I don't want to take the time to sit there and braid my hair or do a twist out. Sometimes you don't got time with that, especially when you got a little baby. My son's 1. Sometimes I do not have time to step away and actually, properly braid up my hair or twist up my hair. So throwing my hair in this cute little style is super easy for me. Let me show you how I did it.
Alright, so I'm going to start off with spraying my hair because my hair is more manageable while wet. Now I'm going to part my hair down the center and do 2 different buns because my hair is so thick and I want my hair to be laid straight to the gods. Now I'm going to speed this video up and you're going to see me put in my leave-in, brush my hair and smooth it, then apply some gel. Now that my hair is growing back after it fell out due to postpartum, I'm going to make sure I gel that bad boy up, and whatever doesn't stay flat, I will pin it down. Then I'm going to place a scarf because, like I said, we want this to be laid straight to the gods. Now, let's talk about this ponytail piece from CutiePieTresses. This 100% human hair is great to protect your ends, especially during these hot summer days. It has 2 combs on the inside, so it makes sure it stays right in place, and the drawstring will make sure it's nice and tight. CutiePieTresses also has clip-ins, weaves of all types of textures: curly, kinky, coily, straight, and blowout. Now, one thing I love about CutiePieTresses that I know my ponytail piece is going to last me a long time. I can wash it, treat it, and guess what, guys? You can definitely dye or bleach this piece. Now use this coupon code so you can get 5% off of your next order, and make sure you tag CutiePieTresses and just call me Shy so we can see how you styled your piece.
So guys, head over to CutiePieTresses using my coupon code and pick you up one of these ponytail pieces, clip-ins, or weaves. Will never steer you wrong. This is something that can definitely be great for the summer, even though there's not going to be a lot of movement, but at least you'll be ready for your photo shoots, or at least look good when you're heading out somewhere. Because like, really, what can you do right now? Exactly. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, find that cute little red bun, join the Shy team, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye!